Today we have a Range Rover Sport 3-liter TDV6 engine came in, wasn't running at C's. So we decided to dismantle the engine and see what's going on with it. And as you can see, there's a lot of sludge buildup. And this is the actual connecting rod. Look at inside here. There's a hole in the block and it's damaged between the valley on the cylinders there. So basically this block is no good. We need to get a new short block or a complete long block to get this Range Rover Sport up and running.